I've seen a few people are asking, because they're having problems with airplane mode and having problems with things like getting the data to work because they don't know the APNs, but I'll just show you how to set them up on this. It's my N900, it's running totally stock 0.0.8. I'll just bypass the setup wizard. So I really don't want to be using it at the minute. Just takes a little while to load up. I've just wiped out the data folder, so it will take a while to load. Everything's having to be reset from the beginning. So just wait and give it a couple of seconds to load. So you've got 0.0.8 there. I'll just go into settings. As you can see, I've got a signal. So it has actually detected that I've got a mobile phone signal. I'll drag the so I go into settings. This is how you set the APN up. Go on to wireless networks. Scroll down to mobile. Go to access point names. Of course, there's none in there at the moment. You use the lock switch to bring the menu up. It has a new APN option. In case you press this, it brings you up a list of various stuff. Name, you can pick anything you want. So we'll just set T-Mobile. That's the network I'm on. APN in my case. And this is a rather weird APN because it's not what you class as a web address. It's actually general.tmobile.uk, not co.uk as you'd expect. Everything else I'm leaving blank because I don't believe MMS even works yet. So there's no particular point in actually using it. Setting that to none. APN type I just leave blank usually. Then you bring up the menu again and go to save. Just load that up. It won't try and connect to it by default, simply because of the fact that I haven't pressed this button here. Now it's got it connected to it. As you can see, I've got an icon there. If I go into the browser, go back a few settings. Still using the wrong back key. I'll go into the browser. Again, give it a few moments to load with it being a fresh install. There we go. So I'll load up the. So here we go to the. And then NITDroid.com, NITDroid forums. This is all running on a data connection. I should be on 3G around here. As you can see, the page is already loaded. What, 2 seconds? 3 seconds? I'm on a 3G connection around here, and it's a very strong 3G connection on T-Mobile. I don't have Flash installed on here yet, so I can't show you that. But I'll go back to home. Now there's something here I want to try, but I don't think it's going to work. Yes, I've just opened the camera if anybody's wondering. Don't believe it's going to work. Nah. I need to replace some critical system files for that respect, which is causing issues, so I'm not trying it. I'll just set up my Google account. I'll come back to you in a moment. I've just tried something here. Bear in mind I haven't typed this particular site in. And now it's loaded. Still using a 3G connection, but I'll show you that again. Back to the home screen. You can see the phone sitting at the home screen. I'll type in another website, which I'm using quite a bit at the moment. Using Google Chrome on the PC. Just loaded another site. Sending to phone. Just give it a few moments. Here it's received something. The browser is automatically launched. Using Modacore, the site I'm currently using a fair bit. But as you can see, that's using Chrome to phone, which is a new thing we've added into this version. It's part of Froyo anyway, but we didn't have the software installed for it previously. It is installed now, and it's working. So I've just sent that link to my phone. I don't know what else you can send over. I can't remember now. I'll show you one last time. I'll go back to the home screen. It's a bit more difficult to do on this. There we go. Back to the home screen. There's nothing running. I'm trying to think of another site to go to. We'll try YouTube. Not that it'll work, but we'll try it. Go to youtube.com. On my PC. All loaded. Send to phone. It's received something. And there we go. It's now loading YouTube. Take a bit of a while to load this, like. There we go. It's now loaded. As you can see. So anyway, that's all I wanted to show for today. It's showing you the main part, which is setting up the APN. All the APN stuff is thanks to EES. It's got all the phone support's been added by himself. The amount of stuff he's had to bodge and code to get around all that is quite frankly ridiculous. But blame Nokia for that.